All right. All right. Hello, everybody. My name is Alex Marquez. I'm currently a VA work study for the Tulare Public Library, and for today's topic, we're going to be talking about the VA healthcare. So VA's healthcare is an important part for a veteran knowing what he is eligible and what he can get uh, when it comes to his benefits and how to apply, how, if it's even eligible, because in some cases, veteran can even if he's a veteran, it does depend, like his eligibility does depend on his DD 214 and his honorable discharge. But we'll get more into that. I just want to introduce myself and let's get right into it. All right. So on this page, this is the where you can find the Tulare Public Library's page. It's our main page. So if you go here, just go to Google, just put Tulare Public Library, and it should be the first link, and it will take you to straight to this page. So you will scroll down and you go right into Veterans Resource Center. Click that. All right. So this page has everything has to do with when it comes to the VRC. As you can see here, the Veterans Connect at the library. You'll see our hours, how you can get in contact with us. Right now with COVID, we're still not settled when it comes to our hourly, but we would be updating everyone when solid information comes through. All right, so you will see everything has to do. All right, and you see our sources, CalVet, Vet Now, magazine, just more information if you want to get to know different stuff. And so we scroll down here. So today we're going to be focusing on health and wellness, assistance, you see other services, and then we're going to go into Veterans Health Administration. All right. So it's going to take you to the page. I think I already have it open. All right. So it's going to take you straight to Veterans Health Administration. So this is going to be the main page of the VA. As you can see, it takes you to the U.S. Department of Veterans, straight to it. All right. First, what you want to do is sign in. All right. If you don't have an account, just go to any of these and go to the registration process. It's pretty easy. Just gonna need your forms, basically how to identify yourself as a veteran when it comes to DD 14, and it's fairly easy process how to register, and just pick one of them. As you can see, there's many of them. So when you enter, but once you're in, it's gonna take you straight to this page right here, once you sign in. So on this page, it's going to tell you your VA health. This is once you get to this point, you're going to know what category you're in already. When it comes to your care provider and what you're eligible for when it comes to actual health care, when it like co-payments and the category. When I say categories, like the how much you pay into it, and it's based off of your D214 and your income. So in the VA health benefits, you go right here, you see, but to even apply, to even be eligible, you would go in here, see, and this is where it's going to tell you how you're eligible. It goes straight to it. It's point blank. Most important part, if and I was going, and like I was reiterating in the beginning, it does depend, like if you were discharged, how you were discharged, honorable, dishonorable. A lot really is a case by case. But after you do that, I mean, it's fairly easy to know if you're eligible or not. It really is based off your DD-14. So how do you even apply? So let's go in here. So you can apply by over the phone, by mail, or in person even. Personally, how I did it, I did over the phone. I literally just got my DD-14, and the veterans specialist over the phone, he you just go down the DD 14, section by section. He would just ask you, and then from his side, he's basically doing the application for you, and you're just telling the information. Yeah, and then so and the form actually will look like this. So as you can see, the different sections: section 2, section 3, information. Comes to Medicare. Down, let's go down. Here's the application itself. So name, you know, birthday, city, just general information about yourself, you know, next of kin, military service. This is where you get your DD-214. All of this is basically DD-214 information that you would just be inserting information. And your insurance, if you have, maybe you have existing insurance and you're trying to transfer to this insurance. All right, dependents, employment, and your annual income as a veteran, previous, and you can get the gist of it. It's basically your general information. So let's get back into apply. So to get to this, how to even get that form, you would go right here. So if you want to do it by mail, take you straight to the actual form. Yep. Let's go back. Yeah, yeah. But you can actually do it in person too. Like, say you want to go to a clinic or go to a nearby facility, VA facility here in Tulare, and you can actually find the locations. All right. So how you're gonna find this VA locations? Basically, go to VA. It's in every header of the actual of the actual page. So you find VA, find a VA location. Okay. So in this case, I'm gonna put our area code where I'm currently located at. Choose the facility, VA Health. All right, search, and it's pretty easy. You see which one's the closest. So in my case, I have Tulare and Fresno, and for many of you that are coming from the Central Valley, this is going to be your options. All right, there is other ones in Bakersfield also, if you're located somewhere near there or more closer to that one than the other ones. But in my case, I'm in Tulare, so I go to Tulare, and if in my case, I that's where I actually get my services when it comes to as a healthcare, when it comes to seeing my primary care doctor, like it needs any prescriptions, or uh, just trying to see what more is um, what more can I do when it comes to getting more new up to date information when it comes to my health uh, benefits. All right, so you go here and you just click any of them, and then boom, address, everything that has to do with it. All right, so that would help you really. That would really help you if you really want to how to even take the first step in applying. Like I said, in person, just take the form, print it out, fill it out, and then just go to the clinic, and then they will help you. And then if you miss anything, they will let you know. And after that, you should be waiting in the mail. Probably, I think it took like at least like 1 or 2 weeks to they send you a book that is catered to what category and what you can use when it comes to health benefits. All right. Application process. Make sure that, and this is when you already signed in. So if you already signed in, it would tell you different stuff. But in this case, it's general application, just information how what you need to fill out your form. And yeah, so let's get into what actual services that the VA actually provides. Managed benefits. We're going here. All right, here we go. So it's under the managed benefits. So under management tab, when you're already signed in, when you're already ready to go, got your category, met with your primary doctor, you know, you got now you're more in depth in what what you're able to use when it comes to healthcare. So under managed benefits, it's and like I was saying in the beginning, it's a way to, you know, the page is really good on tracking your actual prescriptions, how you can message your primary care doctor through message here. This is where you be doing your scheduling, and you go in for analysis, you see your test results. When it comes to currently right now, you can actually get COVID vaccine over the age of, I'm pretty sure it's 65 as we're talking right now, or 50. Can't quote me on that, but definitely check that out if that does apply to you. It's very important. If you're trying to see more of your medical records, see if they match, or if you see anything wrong, you can let the clinic know or call the VA itself, and just that's very important because that has to do with a lot of what I can do a lot with your disability, you know, your prescriptions, if you can even prescribe those prescriptions. This is where you'd be seeing your co-payments, and and it really is a lot of information. So you really just need to just get to know, just click on every single one of them one by one, and just get really familiar with it. Because if you will not use it unless you actually, really do know about it, really, when it comes to the case. Um, so more information about the actual healthcare conditions. All right. So that's basically the gist of it. Like I said, check it out for yourself. Go to find a closed VA health clinic or center if that's the case. Really do get familiar with it. It's really good to know what you're eligible for, um, and just getting yourself set up, when it comes to health, because it's really important, your health. Without that, there's not much we can do and provide, if we're not looking out for ourselves. All right. And yeah, but if you need more information, you can definitely find us. Like I said, going back to the VA, the Tulare Public Library page, you know, go to the Veterans Resource Center. We can actually right now, you can actually find us in person if you would like to get more information and more want more clearance, and you know um, but we will be at the Tulare Public Library on the 9th and 10th from 9:30 to 2:30. You will be finding us outside in Tulare. You see here, that's the address. And yeah, just if you need any more help, and not even just like healthcare or anything when it comes to disability, employment, education, you definitely find us, and we can really help you and connect you with um, those sources that can get you those benefits. And yeah, I appreciate everybody for coming, and hope you have a good day. And thank you.